Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Yeti, so let's get started. To draw this cute abominable snowman, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So it's a little bit wider, making the face a little bit wider, setting the eyes a little bit farther apart. So now that my two circles in, let's go ahead and make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now for my eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve over each eye. And then now to draw the cute little mouth. So right in between the eyes, say about right here, just a little bit lower. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve all the way across for a big smile. And then I'll cap it off. And then we're going to put in two little teeth. So about right here towards the edge, put one and then another one. There, so we got a little monster in, right? So then from there we're going to start to frame the face. So I'm going to draw, I'm going to make this Yeti really fluffy. So right above the eyes, let's just say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw 3 tufts. 2 and another one right in the center, right above the eyes. Then from there I'm going to go ahead and draw this basic, kind of like an ovalish shape. So it's a very basic dumpling shape, but just a little bit wider. So about right here. Go around the eyes. Come down. So it's round and shallow, just like an oval. And then about right there, I'll bring it in. So about right here is my center, and then go draw the same thing on the other side and connect it. There. Okay, there. And then now that we have this all in, let's go to the top. So we're just imagining this huge head with all this fur. And so let's say right above this tuft, I'll say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw 3 tufts of fur going up, just to make it extra cute, extra fluffy. There. And then I'm going to use this point right here and come down, and we're going to start to draw the head at the top, right here and here. So as we bring this down, we're just going to draw a lot of fur. So let's bring this down about right here. Going to curve it in, and we're just going to go all the way around. So another one right here. It's all up to you. We just want to surround the face with lots of fluff. And so then maybe about here. We can change it up a little bit, maybe sometimes a little bit smaller, and go bigger, smaller, bigger, and then just go ahead and connect. There. You just want to create it going all the way around. Nice and round. Okay, so then now that we have the head done, let's go ahead and draw the body. So the body is also really fluffy, right? So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this huge tummy, huge body. There's just so many ways you could draw a Yeti, right? Because no one really knows what a Yeti looks like. So let's go right here. There's so many different versions. And I'm just going to go fluffing it all the way down. Nice and big. So just creating this curve here for the chest and tummy area. And then as I come down here, so now kind of by the same level, I'm going to stop and come to the center, just imagining this as a curve. I'm just going to skip a little bit space And about right here, I'm just going to draw a big curve just to end it so we know where the body is. And then right in the center, say about right here, I'm going to draw a line coming down. So this is where the feet are going to start. And then let's bring this down. So we're going to get a little bit smaller, thinner I mean. So same thing here. So let's work on this side. I'm going to come out. And then about right here, I'm just going to draw one big toe. And I'll simplify it. I'll just add another one and then another one. And then whatever space I have, I'll just go ahead and connect. So same thing here. To about right here, draw one big toe. One and another one. And connect. There. I love these cute little toes, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the arms. So the arms are really long, kind of like a gorilla almost, right? So we're just gonna go ahead once again and fluff it all the way down to about right here. And then draw these big hands. I'm gonna draw a curve and then just a finger and whatever space you have left, just tuck it in. So same thing on this side. Fluff, fluff, all the way. We'll just drag a point across, approximately where to go. And fluff the bottom, and then the hand. One big hand. There. So it's just a little bit flatter right there. Yay, so we got our Yeti in, right? Oops. Right here. Just want to make this a little bit fluffier. Take a look at my camera. So just a little bit more even, just like the other side. So definitely go back and adjust it however you need. There. Okay, so now that we're done, I'm going to, of course, add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Yeti. Or Abominable Snowman. And then if you like, you can do this when you're coloring, but like with a really light gray or blue, just come back in here and there, just draw these curves to give our Yeti some texture on his body. So they're all done. I really hope you love my Draw So Cute Yeti and that I've inspired you to draw this as well for this Christmas. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love how it turned out and I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.